A magician worked on a cruise ship, performing the same tricks every week since the audience always changed. But there was one big problem. The captain's parrot. The bird watched every show and figured out all the magician's secrets. During performances, he'd blurt out,
"Look, it's not the same hat. He's hiding the flowers under the table. Hey, why are all the cards the ace of spades?"
The magician was furious, but he couldn't do anything. After all, it was the captain's parrot. Then, one day, the ship sank. The magician and the parrot ended up floating on a piece of wood in the middle of the ocean. For days, they just stared at each other full of hatred, saying nothing. Finally, after a week of silence, the parrot sighed and said,
"Okay, I give up. What'd you do with the boat?"